Hi everyone, it's Mr. Zayani here again. And what's this? A cucumber, some coriander, and what's that in the bowl? Wanna find out? Join me, let me show you what I'm up to today. So here I have a bowl of yogurt. Give it a good whisk with the back of the fork until it's all gone really nice and creamy. As you can see, it's just literally falling off the fork. And now, cucumber. Chili, that's optional, or you can use more. Bunch of coriander, and what I have here is some mustard seeds, whole bunch of cumin seeds, and this stuff here, pure magic. It's called black salt. Now, I'm not going to bother peeling the cucumber because I think it's just a waste of goodness. And what I'm doing here is I've cut the end of the cucumber and rubbing it together and getting this froth, white liquid out. And what it said is that back home in Bangladesh and India, if you do that, it takes the bitterness out of the cucumber. Now, what I've done here is I've decided to chop the cucumber, but of course, look, you can use a cheese grater. You don't have to, chop it, but I'm just decided to chop it and, just make sure it's all nice or evenly sized and mind your fingers. And I've just taken a sort of like a ordinary cooking oil, put it into a small pot, not too big, and put it on the stove, put the heat on, and then just bring it up to heat slowly. And while the oil is heating up, just got some coriander. I've just cut it really rough. It doesn't need to be any same size or anything, just rough chop is fine. And what I'm doing with the chili here is I'm just literally slitting it down the middle, just get some of the seeds out and the flavor, but keep the chili whole. Now I've just put some cucumber and the chili into the pot with the oil and bring up to heat. And when you start to see the cumin gone slightly brownish in color, I'm putting the mustard seeds in because they both have two different cooking time. So when it starts splattering, bring all over and put it on the yogurt bowl. And obviously, you can't hear it here because I'm doing the voiceover. It's all splattering everywhere, noise, and the smell is absolutely superb. Now I've taken the cucumber, chuck it all in. The coriander goes into, and here's the black salt. Now actually it looks more pink than actually black as it shows in the camera. And you just put that in, give it a good mix. Just, you don't have to be too rough, just gently is okay. And here you go, you have your cucumber raita. So I'm just putting it into a serving bowl. And what I've decided to do is just put the chili on the side. Of course, you don't have to have it, but I think it's just a nice touch. And just decorating it or garnishing it with a couple of leaves of bay leaf, no, coriander, and just sprinkle a few cardamoms. And here's the tasting, and it's lovely. I've just come back from India and they eat this stuff morning, noon and night all the time, and so it goes with any curry, any meal. So give it a go, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye for now. If you like this video, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, or subscribe to my channel, which will be really appreciated, and look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.